Hello everyone, welcome to Done Investments. This is a new analysis video for tomorrow, that is March 30th. Disclaimer first that this analysis video is only for educational purpose. This is not any trading or investing tip. So let's see how market might perform tomorrow. So currently global market looks good, and as I mentioned on our Telegram and Instagram uh, social media handles, that avoid any kind of short opportunity, be it index, be it stocks, futures or put options, anything that indicates a short opportunity in the market should be avoided for next 2 to 3 days, up at least till 31st March. Now, as per global sentiments, market looking super bullish. FIS and DIS data are bullish again. So moving on, we'll see Nifty. Currently, Nifty has given a breakout from the yesterday's level and also the level that I mentioned in the morning on our channel, that is 17,325. Now it has closed as 17,325 dot. It has tried crossing that level successfully and it is holding up 350. So now this 25 points becomes a no trading zone. If you having a long opportunity, or I mean having a long position already, then you might be able to trail or even book profit in open market on very first minute, because it seems like the market is ready to open huge gap up. Now if it opens above 17,440, 525, 600, 710, and one second, sorry, 725 and 840 is the highest level that we can see, possibly see. Now why this level? As per number ratio strategy that we have developed and also teach our students, but that's a whole different thing. Looking at option chain, currently market has a huge open interest OI on call side at 17,500, huge volume, huge OI. Then moving on, we have at 17,700, 17,800, huge open interest, as we can see on the option chain on Nifty. So if market opens above 550, 600, any huge gap up, this might force this people to cover their short. So while covering the short on the call side, it will force Nifty to go much higher, because that would be a short covering move. Similarly, if market is holding 207 until market is holding 17,200, we are good to go to buy every dip for the higher side. This is what I would do personally. If market starts trading below 17,175 in 15 minutes time frame, then one can say or market would start indicating a weakness or profit booking. But currently looks bullish. Nifty Bank, uh, again 36,035 is the zone, or 36,080 to be precise, like little safe. About this, we would see possible up move of 250 to 400 points intraday on Bank Nifty easily. Now, if it opens gap up above 36,200 by any chance, because Nifty Bank has some unfinished business over here around 36,100. So we might possibly see even 36,650, 36,700 levels on intraday basis itself. For now, global sentiments look bullish and supporting a gap up, but overnight anything might happen. So again, we have to only look as per levels. Forget about the news. If news is in our favor, technical analysis will do wonders for you. So my higher side target for Bank Nifty is 36,200, 36,375. Above that, more 3 to 500 points intraday basis. But I would be very much keen to trail if my trade after a huge gap up, if market sustain the gap up, then I would like to trail and squeeze my maximum profit possible for intraday basis. Bank Nifty would enter a weak territory only below 35,600. If 35,600 is taken out which I highly doubt, but anything might happen overnight. So I would look out for 35,450 and below that 35,000. But currently I'm looking at a long trade, that means I'm on the bull side. So I would look for any breakout about 36,000 to 36,100. This 100 point, if you are good at candlestick, you will see one candle give you a breakout, and then you might enter a trade with 150 or 100 point stop loss on futures and options as per your own risk appetite. Moving on, HDFC Bank looking bullish again, and we might see a super quick move on this particular stock above 1465. Then the higher levels would come 1475, 1488 and 1500 psychological level and round figure. Above that, another another point of view possible, like more bullishness possible. But as a trader, above 1465, if I get a chance to enter this trade, then 1475, 88 and 1500 I would like to trail, and if it goes further I will continue trailing unless and until my trailing stop loss is hit. On the downside, if by any chance HDFC Bank opens below 1450 and starts trading below 1440, then I would look for a short trade up to 1420 and 1400 round figure and a psychological level again. But again, as Bank Nifty as index is indicating, we might see some strong momentum on banking index and banking stock on remaining 2 days, that is tomorrow and day after. Moving on, Adani Ports looking good. One can look for a bullish trade here. Again, it's not a advice, but as a trader I would say personally that above 1765 I would look for 765. Above 765 I would look for 10 to 15 points on Adani Ports, and I would maintain a stop loss of 8 rupees after breakout on this particular stock. Only then I would like to enter this trade above 765. If by chance we see any candle closing below 752.50 on this stock, then I would ignore a long trade on this particular script. But above 765, 775, 781, like 10 to 15 points, easily possible to grab for intraday traders. Moving on, as we are talking about M&M from last 2 days, it tried giving a breakout but happened to become a false, or a fake out rather I would say. On a daily chart looks good. What it has done, it has given one indication with little bit of follow volume here on the daily chart, indicating a close. Today's close price is higher than the last 2 days high price. So what it is indicating that it is ready to go much higher, and a target of 790, 800 up to 845. Every 10 to 15 points you can grab on a trailing basis. Long, if I'm entering a cash trade, equity trade, swing traders, especially equity swing traders, would like to target on this particular stock a target of 840. If you see on a daily chart, there is a gap pending over there. This stock would enter a new bullish territory above 805 and 811. If any candle sustaining tomorrow above 805 after a gap up and continues to hold for 15 minutes, then this stock is surely going for 820 to 840 zone, maintaining a stop loss and trailing your stop loss once the trade starts going in your favor. Again, if you like the analysis, do like this video, share it with your friends. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon if possible if you don't want to miss any updates. Thank you.